Welcome, today we're going to show you how to connect your Spaceship domain to Shopify. First thing that you need to do is to open your Shopify admin page, and from here you need to actually click on the settings on the down left corner. From here you need to go to domains, so you need to just scroll down till you find the domains section. You need to click on it, and from here you need to click on connect existing domain. You need to add the domain name, and after that you need to add its details. So, how to get the details? All you need to do is to go to your Spaceship account. As see from here, you need to make sure that you are logged in into your Spaceship account. After that, you need to click on all products and then click on domains, and then you need to click on domain manager. So from here you will see the domains that you already have. If you don't have one, you can actually click on new domain to get your domain. After you get your domain on Spaceship, you will see it right here. You can just click on it, and now you will see its details. You can just add it to Shopify. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.